Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Lewis here from Income Raiser, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually make money online in 2019. So for myself personally, I never really thought I would make a video like this on how to make money online, because I always see them as, maybe a bit scummy or a bit manipulative. They're trying to make you to invest into $1,000 courses, they're trying to invest you onto their emailing list and that kind of stuff. And that just really doesn't appeal to me at all. But in the last couple of years, I've just seen so much misinformation on websites and YouTube channels that are just really trying to, lure beginners into pay for their $1,000 courses. So I thought I would just make this video and just show you kind of my perspective on how you can actually make money online in an actual real way without paying me thousands of dollars. I don't want your money. I just really want you to succeed in creating some income for yourself online. It's been a huge game changer for me. I currently run my own online business and I earn multiple revenue streams from different sources, and I've built this up over a couple of years. So I'm just going to show you my perspective on what I do personally and other methods that do work as well for people that are just getting started out. So before I do get stuck into this list, I just want to throw something else out there to those that are just beginning, and that is whatever you do decide to choose, whether you find it on this video or another video, whatever you do decide to do, I really strongly recommend you to just focus on that one thing in the beginning. I know when I first started out, there was like so many different things that you can try. Everything's trying to pull you in certain directions, and you kind of get shiny object syndrome. You want to try affiliate marketing via Amazon, you want to do Amazon FBA, you want to do drop shipping, you want to do ads, you want to do print on demand. There's just so many things that are kind of attracting your attention. So when you're starting out, I really recommend you just to try one thing and try and learn as much as you possibly can about that one topic, and really implement that strategy into whatever you are doing. And this will really allow you to understand what this kind of segment of digital marketing is and whether or not it fits into your personality. As for myself personally, I like the more passive income revenue streams, as I don't have to work for a week and I still get that consistent income. But if you're more of a hustler, you might want to do Amazon FBA or drop shipping, where you're always like sourcing deals, getting the cheapest rates and those types of things. So anyway, I just thought I would put that out there. Whatever you do decide to do, try and focus on that as much as you can and ride it out. And if it doesn't work, then you can move on to the next thing. So that's my ramble out of the way. Let's get stuck straight into this video. So one surefire way to earn money online, and that is by implementing ads onto websites or YouTube channels. So for myself, this was the first thing I've ever earned money online with, and that was from Google Adsense. So Google Adsense is a partnership program where you actually sign up with Google Adsense, and then you can pretty much just copy a piece of code onto your website, and then it automatically generates ads over your whole website. So this is a really, really good entry-level way that you can earn money online. And one way to do this is by creating a website. And there's multiple web hosting solutions. I personally use Bluehost. There's a link down below in the description if you want to create your first website. And this allows you to create a website and then share articles on the website that people can search for on Google. So when you do this kind of strategy, you want to create content that people are searching for and they want a solution to. So when I first started out, I had a broken iPhone, the sound wasn't working, and I thought to myself, maybe this could be a good opportunity to create a website, because I had figured out a solution on how to fix this issue. So I pretty much just made a huge guide on how to fix sound issues on iPhones, and then I signed up for a hosting package, and then I just put that information out there. And then within a few months, I started getting pretty steady amounts of traffic, and then I thought to myself, well, maybe I can put ads on this website. And then pretty much all of a sudden overnight, I was starting to earn a few dollars every day. And then that's kind of when the light bulb went off, and then I kind of invested more time into writing articles and investing in this website and trying to grow it. And that was just the first thing I started with. And then from there, it's kind of blossomed into something else. And this is a really good starting point for people that are just getting started out to making money online. And once you do kind of have AdSense on your websites, and once you do have those good amounts of traffic, then you can kind of graduate up to more premium ad networks. There's heaps of ad networks out there that pay you a better price for the more amounts of traffic that you do get. So I personally use Mediavine. You need about 30,000 visitors per month to get on Mediavine. There's a Zoic that's about 10,000 visitors per month. And there's also AdThrive, and there's a handful of others which I'll link down below in the description. So I won't go into more detail on how to actually set up these ad websites, as there's just a lot of information to cover. If you'd like to see another video like that, please let me know down below in the description, because I actually am thinking about making maybe like a 1 or 2 hour video on actually how to set up the whole website. That's keyword research, posting articles, and all that kind of stuff. So if you're looking to get started with making money online, ads is a really good way to start. So another way in which you can make money online in 2019 and also going ahead is by using affiliate marketing. So if you haven't heard of affiliate marketing, it's when you essentially recommend a product to someone from a third party, and if that person, clicks on that link and purchases that product, then you actually get a commission on that sale. However, that price of the product doesn't come at an inflated rate to the buyer. It's the same rate, but you just get a small commission. And another way to think of this is almost like being a real estate agent. You represent the person that's selling the house, or in this case, the product. And if someone buys it, you just get a commission. So, this is a really, really beneficial way for businesses to promote their products for free, as they essentially have people like me and thousands of others recommending products. So for myself, I recommend Bluehost. I personally use it. And if someone is to use one of those affiliate links, I do get a commission, but it comes at no extra price to you whatsoever. And there's heaps of other ways in which you can do this. There's the Amazon Associates program. So you can essentially sign up for free, and then you can start recommending products from Amazon. And if someone makes a purchase on that product within 24 hours, or any other product for that matter, then you get a small percentage of that sale. And there's heaps of other affiliate programs. If you pretty much type in any business name, Apple, Best Buy, HelloFresh, pretty much every business online nowadays has an affiliate program that you most probably don't even know about. And this kind of backs on to creating a website with ads. Once you kind of establish that, then you can move on to creating guides. You could maybe create a guide on, say, the best cameras under $500, or the best skateboards under $200, and create a really extensive guide on the top 5 products, go into detail the benefits of using the product, the pros and the cons. And you can create these guides, and people can find them on Google. And once they read through the article, they can click on the link, go to the affiliate program, and then if they make a purchase, you'll get a commission on that sale. So this is a very passive way of creating income for yourself. And this is a way that I personally really, really like. It's a way of really leveraging, a really good piece of content, whether that's an article or a YouTube video, and then you can earn thousands of dollars from that one piece of content over the lifetime. So once you create the content, it's not just there for one day, a week, or a month, it's there for pretty much eternity. So if it's evergreen content, which means it's always relevant, then that article or video is going to be consistently relevant pretty much for years to come. So you might spend 2 days writing a post, but if it's generating you income for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, then that's just going to keep earning you money day after day and week after week. So I really like the passiveness of, affiliate marketing, as you can do the work up front and get the rewards over the long term. So another way you can make money online is to actually sell websites. So I don't really see many people talking about this, but this is maybe more of an advanced kind of tactic once you have established yourself. Maybe you've created a website that's earning money from ads and affiliate marketing, and say it's earning $1,000 a month. You can actually sell that website for a pretty good profit. So say for example, a website is earning $1,000 a month. As a good rule of thumb, you can generally sell that as an online business for someone who wants to, pick up from where you left off. You can generally sell it for 25 to 40 times the monthly earnings. So if you can make a website that's earning $1,000 a month profit, then you can potentially sell that for $25,000 to $40,000. So once you are earning that kind of consistent monthly income, then you can actually kind of flip it and maybe invest into another website, start making multiple websites and just kind of grow from there. So there's heaps of online brokers out there. There's Empire Flippers, there's Flipper, there's FE International, and again, I'll put all those links down below in the description. So while this is a kind of tactic once you are well established and have been doing it for a couple of years, it's kind of something that you can look forward to and work towards if you kind of want to flip it, if that's a strategy that you want to implement. So another way in which you can make money online is by doing online courses. So I know at the beginning of this video, I was kind of maybe throwing shade on people that are creating these $1,000 courses on something that you can essentially get for free. But actually creating an affordable and budget-friendly course for something that you're an expert in, that's maybe not online marketing that everyone's doing nowadays, you can actually sell that course on the website where you've set it up originally, whether that's for ads or affiliate marketing. So maybe you're just learning tennis and you want to, share your skills. You can make a $20 course on the basics of tennis. And this is something that people will be really interested in. If you have a personal connection with the reader or the YouTube viewer, you can actually really, sell this course. You could even host it on these courses on websites like Udemy or Skillshare. And, it allows you to make your own online courses, and they will take a small cut, but you get a majority of the sale of that course. And I know that a lot of people, when they come to creating courses, they're like, oh, I'm not experienced enough. I don't have the expertise. But when it comes to creating an online course, or any course for that matter, you only need to be at a level above the person that's just starting out. So if you've been doing tennis for 6 months, you've still got really valuable information for someone that's just starting out who knows nothing. So this is a really, really good way to kind of leverage your existing skills and maybe produce a really high quality and valuable course for someone that's looking for something in your specific niche. So this could be training a dog, pottery, tennis, painting, graphic design. So pretty much you can make a course on anything nowadays. So these are just some of the ways in which you can make money online in 2019 and going ahead. And these are all really good options to start if you're just starting out with creating a passive income revenue stream for yourself. There are heaps of other ways you can make money online. There's Amazon FBA, there's drop shipping, there's print on demand, and there's just so many options. But again, I don't want to overwhelm you if you're just starting out and you're looking for ways to get started. But I highly, highly recommend you to just focus on one method and see if that kind of fits your personality and your kind of skill set. And then if it doesn't, you can move on to the next one. And then you can just do trial and error and see which is best for you. So if you'd like to see more content like this, I'm going to be making more tutorials and more list guides on how you can build income for yourself, how you can make affiliate websites, how you can make, AdSense websites, how you can do online courses and all that kind of stuff. And I don't plan on, making these $1,000 courses, and I don't want to shove them down your throat. I just want to create really valuable content for people that are just starting out, as it really is an empowering thing to create a side hustle for yourself. So if you can generate maybe an extra $200, $300, $400, $500 a month, that can cover the phone bills, the groceries, and it just allows you to, just have that extra kind of weight off your shoulders where you can just, sleep soundly at night saying that you've got it sorted and you have a bit of a backup plan. So hopefully this video was helpful for you to get started with. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.